Hi guys, this is Vic and welcome to the training video series for Viral Video. Now in this video, I'm going to talk about how you get content from YouTube using our video content section. So right now, I'm inside the video content section. I click on this video content and I am here. Now what we have to do is, if I just zoom in, I just need to enter the video URL here. As you see, I just entered the video URL. And just like this, I paste it here, and if I click on this download option, then I am getting this video content right from that video. So I just hit view, and if I zoom in, as you see, we are getting this video script from this video right here that I just used. So if what is digital marketing and digital marketing tutorial for beginners. So and this video is getting, let's see how many views. So it's got tons and tons of views, over 200,000 views. And so now what script they have used is right here. So we're getting this script. What we can do is we can just use this layout and we can frame our own script, and Viral Video just gave you the entire proven video content script. You can just use your voiceover. There are so many voiceovers out there that you can just use and create a video around it. And this video is working, the script is working, you get it in one click. So that is how you get the video content. Now, word of caution here, all YouTube videos will not have the script available to download. Okay, so this is only available for videos for which YouTube has enabled the download option. So please keep that in mind. Don't send us tickets that, oh Vic, I cannot download the script. I cannot help you in that way, because we can only download scripts for videos in which captions or subtitles are enabled and they are downloadable. Even in some cases, the captions or subtitles which are enabled, but it is not downloadable because of the YouTube restrictions. So don't worry, because you need to just keep on checking which videos are there where captions or subtitles are enabled, and then just enter the URL here and hit just download. Now I'm telling you, this service in itself, with the commercial rights, this service in itself can get you hundreds and thousands of dollars, because people are charging per minute transcript. Yes, per minute transcript. So imagine you're just getting this for one single click. It's just less than 60-second work, and you can sell this as a service. People just need the transcript, that's it, of their videos. Just upload them on YouTube, and if they already have a video on YouTube, you don't need to write them. Just download it, okay? Provided they have the subtitles and caption enabled. So just word of caution there, guys, because I want to help you succeed in the right way. You are a part of the Viral Video family. I want to give you everything that you must know, okay? And there's ton more in the strategy session, and after this video I'm going to start the strategy sessions. Do check out the strategy sessions and you're gonna really love it. I'm promising you that. But now this app is yours. I've told you what is where, how we get started, and how we use each section inside the app. Now my personal strategy sessions are all waiting for you, and then I'm also going to give you my story on how we started and we grew that channel from 0 to almost like 10,000 plus subscribers. Okay, so all that is waiting for you in the upcoming videos. I'll see you there.